The News4JAX I-TEAM continues to follow up on an investigation into school fights in Duval County Public Schools and what the district is doing to address and prevent violence. The district logged more than 500 fights at schools and on buses last school year. And the data from the first 2 months of this school year shows Duval County schools are on track to have about the same number of fights this year. News4JAX I-TEAM investigator Ann Maxwell is here with some of the resources district police have and they're trying to use to fight this violence. Ann?
Joy, a district spokesperson here from DCPS tells me that violence is absolutely unacceptable on their campuses, and they do have several programs in place to really counteract and prevent violence on campus. Today, I spoke with a rep from one of those programs that's already had a big impact just this school year. Data provided by Duval County Public Schools shows there were 196 fights logged in the first 60 days of school last year. During that same time period this school year, there were 198 fights. The district told the I-TEAM they're taking several steps to keep schools safe.
At Hazel, we believe all children deserve to be seen, heard, and cared for.
Including preventative measures like the mental telehealth services offered through their partnership with Hazel Health.
We're very solution focused.
Paris Cordera Carroll is the VP of Mental Health Services at Hazel Health, which partners with 150 school districts across the country to provide virtual mental health services. She says when it comes to a student who's gotten into a fight, a mental health professional can help find out what may be fueling it.
A lot of these behaviors just come from what that student might be experiencing or feeling emotionally and not quite sure what to do with it.
She says a counselor can help kids find better outlets for their emotions, like the arts or writing. According to Hazel Health, Duval County had about 1,700 referrals last year with about 3,400 visits. So far this school year, they've had about 400 referrals and 700 visits.
Two of our main reasons for referral are often anxiety and depression.
DCPS has other resources available too. There's Stop the Violence, which provides training for educators on violence prevention and intervention, and Student Option for Success, which is a program that works with families and students involved in fighting to learn things like impulse control, self-regulation measures, and alternatives to fighting. A spokesperson from DCPS said, "Our goal is to continue to cultivate a culture of safety in all our schools so that students can learn and achieve academically to their fullest potential." And that VP at Hazel Health told us the telehealth services for students here at Duval County Public Schools don't come at any cost to them or their families, regardless if they're referred by their school counselor or if it's their family who reaches out to the platform to try to get help. Reporting live from the South Bank, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.